gamers are likely to have heard the name Razer before. Whether they have used the perishable, they over or not. Not only with the brain, Razer himself claimed that the Black Widow was developed using military level. Using plastic material to show a more relation and very close impression, something that they founded successfully. The power of the K is very high. You can see this is very high. It's on does not feel disturbing and can still be enjoyed comfortably. The choice of metal material is also the foundation of the Switch, which is no longer available. So what is offered by Razer Black Widow from the technical side? Here is the specification that we care. 1. Razer mechanical switch with 50G accretion force. Number 2. Customizable backlighting with 16:8 million color. Number 3. Military grade metal top construction and glass Razer China with a more concise form and without extra button for macros. Those of you who are familiar with the conventional keyboard layout and size don't seem to have a hard time maximizing the keyboard. Together with the software that we'll discuss later. Razer also provides a series of function shortcuts using the event shortcut like this, and the combination in the top F1, F2, F3, and F4 that you can learn through the manual combination. So it seems already common knowledge that the comfort of mechanical keyboard will actually depend on mechanical keyboard, and it is the stretching area of course, and this is how you personal preference. If it has to be generalized, this keyboard over a typing speed and tactical sensation that is almost the same as the blue switch from the Razer. As accurate and able to translate any command of you want with it. And with how power is over, Razer Black Widow is supported with Razer Snaps, which help you modify various extensions of many functions from this keyboard. From just regulating what the behavior of the cosmetic RGB is mainstay, injecting macros of the K with the conventional number available. It is said to be conventional mode, gaming mode, and many experience from this keyboard. Also with the Razer Snaps code system, you can always bring the many settings that you can specify to any PC device you want. And the last, with all the technology from this keyboard and quality that you expect from premium mechanical keyboard, the Razer Black Widow is a very good keyboard from you use, and it is sure to carry out its dirty keyboard very good for your PC or your device. Okay, I think enough from this description about this keyboard. I hope you enjoy from this video.